Good evening, darling. How are you all today? So, as you can see and you can you feel Christmassy in the air? It's festive season. If you can go out, this year we can't go out because of Corona, but every year when you go out in December, you see all the malls are beautifully decorated with Christmas trees, with Santa, with big snowman, isn't it? So Christmas is around the corner, and we at Impressions of Expressions, we will be sharing lots and lots of Christmas stories. Okay? Santa. Like you all, when I was also a tiny little girl, I used to pray every year in December to Santa. Santa, please give me a gift. I'll be a very good girl for the whole year. I will not trouble mama. I will behave myself nicely. I will listen to what mama has to say. I will do everything, all the good things. But you please give me my Christmas gift. So I'm sure all of you also want some or the other thing from Santa. So have you prepared your list? What all you want from Santa this year? Vedant is saying no. Vedant, you've not yet prepared. So prepare your list.
I want money.
You want money? And what will you buy from that money?
I will take little money.
With the little money also, but what will you buy?
I put it in bank.
Oh, you want to put it in bank so that it gets multiplied?
In 50,000.
Then you will have so much of money, है ना? Vedant will become a rich big boy. Big boy or rich big man?
But I'll take only one. I'll take one thing. What? That open and close T-Rex.
You want to buy a T-Rex? I know. Thumbs up. So we celebrate Christmas as birthday of our very favorite God Jesus Christ. So Lord Jesus Christ was a tiny little boy who was born to Mother Mary and Joseph. And he was born in a small village in Bethlehem in a stable. So now you all will ask, ma'am, how come in a stable all of us, we took birth in a hospital? Then why Lord Jesus Christ took birth in a stable? Because at that time, it was long ago. So at that point of time, there were no hospitals and children used to take birth at home only. But Mary and Joseph, they did not had any home and they were staying in a stable. As I was telling, Lord Jesus Christ was born and beautiful angels, they came down and they saw, wow, we think the Lord himself has taken birth here. So we need to spread the message in the whole world that Lord Jesus Christ has born. He has taken birth. So all the angels, they were talking to each other to go and spread the message around. So all the angels with their beautiful wings, they went door to door, spreading the message that Lord Jesus Christ was born. Then what happened? As everybody in the world, they knew about Lord Jesus Christ's birth, people started coming and they were coming and visiting Lord Jesus Christ. And while they were coming, all of them got some gift for Lord Jesus Christ. If somebody comes at your place, then do they get gifts? And you know, when they came, they sang a special song. Would you all like to know which special song it was? Gifts, gifts, gifts for the baby, gifts, gifts, gifts for the baby, gifts, gifts, gifts for the baby, gifts for the little baby Jesus. What all they were singing? Everybody has to sing with Asta ma'am. Gifts, gifts, gifts for the baby, gifts, gifts, gifts for the baby, gifts, gifts, gifts for the baby, gifts for the little baby Jesus. So you know who was the first one to come and pay a visit and to see Lord Jesus Christ? Shepherds were the first one who came and paid visit to see Lord Jesus Christ, and they got beautiful, big gifts. And when they came, they sang a song. And do you remember whenever we sing a song, we have to draw also something. So let's start singing and let's start drawing. Gifts, gifts, quickly. So everybody has drawn here.
डॉल बन रही है.
Doll, let's see क्या बनेगा. Let's see. Okay. Just trying to confirm it from you. I knew, but I was just trying to confirm it from you. So the olive tree said, okay, now you know. So palm tree said, yes, now I know that he is Jesus Christ, and I also would like to gift something to him. So then all the three trees, they started thinking. They said, let us also think, what can we gift? What can we give to Lord Jesus Christ? So the palm tree said, I have got an idea. I will give my big leaves to Lord Jesus Christ. So olive tree said, you want to gift your leaves? What will happen to your what will Lord Jesus Christ do with your leaf? So the palm tree said, no, whenever Lord Jesus Christ will start feeling hot, somebody can take my big leaf and start moving that big leaf like a big fan. Wow. So olive tree said, excellent, that is wonderful idea. You can go and give. Said, yes, palm tree, I think that's an amazing idea. You can go and you can give Lord Jesus Christ your big leaf. So then palm tree said, what will you gift, olive tree? You don't have anything. So olive tree said, no, you don't know. Olive oil is the best oil in the whole world. So I will gift big bottle of olive oil to Lord Jesus Christ. So both of them said, wow, now we have an excellent idea and we can also get gifts for Lord Jesus Christ. So they both quickly wrapped their gifts. He said, your leaves are so tawny and so stinky. Nobody wants to take your leaves. Please don't give any gift to Lord Jesus Christ. Then the olive tree, he said, fir tree, your liquid is also very, 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 very smelly. I don't think so Lord Jesus Christ need your gift. So then he was really sad. The fir tree, he said, what should I gift? I don't think so I have anything that I can gift. So what happened? He kept thinking, but he was really, really sad. So he was sobbing in one corner. He was like, I don't have anything to give to Lord Jesus Christ. Now he will not give me any blessing. What should I do? So somebody please give me an idea. So everybody she requested. So beautiful, the brightest, the biggest star. From all the stars, the biggest and the brightest star, that star came and that star sat down on the tip of the fir tree. and that star was twinkling beautifully. There was a big, huge light that star had. So as soon as the little baby Jesus started opening his eyes, everybody said, "Wow, a big clap for you, fir tree. See, baby Jesus, he saw you for the first time and he is smiling. So you made him smile. Since you made him smile, we will all pray to Lord Jesus Christ to give you a special gift." And you know what special gift Lord Jesus Christ gave to fir tree? Fir tree became the Christmas tree from that day. है ना? You all, if you must have seen the original Christmas tree is a fir tree. यहाँ पे हम हाउस में जो डेकोरेट करते हैं that is made up of plastic we get, but the original Christmas tree is a fir tree. That's how a fir tree became the Christmas tree, because Lord Jesus Christ started smiling looking at that tree with that twinkling star. That's why when you decorate your Christmas tree, there is a star. Always and always there is a star on the top of the tree. See, can you all see behind Aska ma'am, there's a big Christmas tree? Can you see on the top? What is there on the top of my Christmas tree? Padmanabh, what is there on top of my Christmas tree? Do I have a bell or do I have a star?
Say again.
Star. That's right. Thank you. And that is also one of the reasons that we decorate. When we decorate it, on the top, there has to be a star on the top. So how was the story of the fir tree? Who all liked the story? You have to give me a thumbs up if you like.